Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to teach you the page layout style in MS Word. So we will discuss about the themes, about page setup, page background, paragraph, and arrangement of pictures in text or over the text overlapping, and we will use different techniques. Themes basically change the entire design of the document. So themes can make your document look good. You have different built-in themes in MS Word. So here I'm going to apply this theme. So you can see that this theme is not matching with our topic. The picture of our topic is in color blue, so I'm going to change this in blue. So this is looking good. So this is there are a lot of colors you can apply, and similarly here we have font style. Normally we use font style at the start of the when we start our document. We used to pick the style, we settle the size at that time, but whenever you see that your Word document is not looking good, you can change the style of your font at any time. So after that we have effects tab. Here you can see light and dark effects. You can use any kind of effects as well. So you have many options in MS Word, and you can apply these options at any point according to the requirement of your document. For example, if you are making a document for children, you are making any assignment, you can use red color, orange color, and similarly if you are working official working. After that we have margins. We have different kind of margins as well. So normal and broad, wide. So margins are the lines. Margins are the empty lines on the bottom, left, right, and top. Then we have orientation. Orientation could be of two types: landscape and portrait. If we select landscape, we can see that you need to shift some table elements from one page to another page. So to shift this table from this page, we use page break setting. So when you shift your page layout orientation from portrait to landscape or from landscape to portrait, you must know that you need to make changes. You need to settle down each and every page. So here we are again using page layout command, page break command, to settle our text in landscape style. Then next we have size. We have letter size, legal size, A4 size, A5 size. So these are the different sizes. Normally in offices we use A4 size, and sometimes letter size for letter. If you are typing any letter, you can use letter size, and if there is a legal document, you can have legal size. Columns on Word page. This is the decision by yourself how many columns, or if it is requirement of your document, you can have more than one columns, as I'm going to apply 2 columns here. So it looks like this, and if we apply 3 columns, and then left column and right column. So you have more options in columns. You can have more than 3 columns as well. So here I'm gonna select 12 columns. So it looks like this. I'm going to have one column. Okay, page break, we already discussed a lot about page break. Page break basically end of your first page and the start of the second page. Next is numbering. So here you can see that numbering starts from on page 2 from 2. The first number is on page 1. So you can use continuous paging, page numbering, or you can also have separate numbering for each page as well. These are line numbers basically, which are assigned to every line of your document. So these are the settings which you can easily apply to see the effects and changes. Then there is hyphen tab. Hyphen is basically used when when you have a word break in a line, and it is represented with a dash, little small dash. So here I'm typing a word so that I can show you the effect of hyphen, but I must tell you that it is possible that you don't have hyphen here, because hyphen apply where it is required. So I'm trying to apply this here. Okay, now I am going to select the hyphen automatically, or I can also apply hyphen manually. So here we can see that where the hyphen is required in the document, the search bar is searching it by itself. So it is represented by a dash here. We are selecting a paragraph to apply a hyphen. So you cannot apply hyphen here because it is not required on this page. So it will automatically transfer the bar where hyphen is required. So this is how hyphen works. Next step is watermark. So I'm selecting a blank page to show you the use and effect of watermark. You can select any of them, but I'm going to custom setting. You can also have a picture mark. I'm going to select a picture from my system, which I already have on my desktop, downloaded picture. By applying this, you can see the effect of watermark, but you can type any text on the watermark like this. You can see all other pages are above the watermark. So we have two options in watermark. Either we can select the picture, or we also can use text. So here I'm going to type the main topic of our working, which is Microsoft Word. So we can select any color if you want, if you like. So apply these changes, and you can see that the watermark of Microsoft Word on the whole document. So you can also select, go in page layout, then in settings. So you can choose the layout of your text, diagonal or horizontal. So this is horizontal. But normally in most of the document I have seen in my career or in my research work, I have seen the watermark in diagonal layout. So these are the page colors. You can use any color. So here, because my document is related to Word and its color is blue, so I am going to apply blue color. These are borders and shading. We already discussed about this border and shading in detail in my previous videos. So I am going to apply this border for this video. Okay, whenever you are free and you are working on Word and you feel free, you can check each setting of your border or all other settings. You can apply these settings and don't save these settings if you just want to check these out. So now I am typing to show you the result of left, right and top bottom movement of my text. So here I have Microsoft Office, in which I have MS Word, MS Excel and MS PowerPoint. So Microsoft Office, I am going to apply the setting of uppercase from my home tab. So now you can see in indent the effect of shifting towards left, because on the right side I don't have such space that I can shift my text, because I already have a scale, a margin line, so I have space to shift it from left. Similarly, you can see the effect of before and after at the bottom and top. You can see that we have many points here. So these are all settings are applicable according to your own choice and according to your own desire, whatever you like in your document. This Word file gives you a lot of experiences. So I have selected one picture where I will show you the effect of text, how the text and the picture merges. So I'm going to select from page layout. When we select the picture, we have positions. So here you can see that I can select position of my picture where I wish to. So I am going to apply from page layout, then position tab, And these are the more settings which you can use, like this. So next option is wrapping text, and here again I will use tight position, where both the text and the picture are adjustable. I'm going to select some shapes to show you the effect of come forward and go behind. So bring forward, bring to front. You can see that we can use this tool for overlapping shapes, overlapping pictures. I'm going to type some text here. Again, MS Office. So because my text is hidden behind this shape, so I will apply the setting here to bring it forward. MS Office 2020. Now you can see the whole text. So this is how we use these settings. Send back. Selection pan. So it is applied for more than 2 images, 2 shapes, 2 pictures. So I'm gonna choose one more picture here. Now we will see the effect of selection pan. Here you can see that we have different shapes selected by each separately. So we will clear these all. And in page layout we have rotation. We can rotate these pictures, these shapes. To 90 degree, to flip horizontal, flip vertical. So this was all about MS Word. Allah Hafiz.